What's up, gamers? As in just me. What's up, me? Because I'm the only person here. Woo! Just gotta get my stream monitoring thing up. Alright. And pro tip, always be late to your own stream. You should always do that. Okay. Okay, I'm also gonna sit down. One sec. It's probably making a lot of noise. I'm sorry about that. I'm lowering down. Should have done that ahead of time. But that's okay. Okay. Ay. Ay, ay, ay. Also, I'm gonna see if I can get a light. Just cause it's a little dark on my face. I'm trying to use my old iPhone 6 as a light. There we go. I gotta make it look not horrible though. Don't know if that's possible. How about that? It increases the light like a little bit, whatever. I'm just gonna turn it off actually. That's stupid. Never mind. Okay. And I don't think we're lagging today though, which is cool. So like, that's awesome. I like how I have my tablet over here. I like how it defaults for only like this live stream for some reason. It'll default to like 144p. For some reason. Oh, now it's actually freaking out. Oh, nothing's working. Whatever. Okay. So, in the off chance you were here last time, we mostly got it working, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually going to start this up again. Or actually, JK. I need to make sure, because I did publish it back up to the internet. So it is live right now. Let me get a new tab. Get my chairs, like, new chair, by the way. So that's fun. Okay. Oh, yeah, so if you go to Judgy's, the Judgy's pod, the work we did last time is here. Woo! With the buttons that I think are way too big and still upset me. Okay, sorry. The like 144p over on the side is so distracting. Okay. Okay, so this is what we got. Ideally, what I do want to change is that I do want to put something here. This feels blank. I want to put like maybe one of like their phrases or some quote that they have. I just think that would be neat. So I want to do that. And ideally, I would like if I can figure out the video frame, if we can make that look a little less bad. So let's switch over. I got some other stuff open. I'm gonna make sure I got this. Okay, I was just messing with the API keys because I have two different keys for the public and dev side. JD's website. NPM start. Let's start it up. Let's start it up. Okay. So now we're on the development server. Let's go to the video. Again, the problem slash issue is just this right here. Because the way I do this is just weird. And that's because I got it from ChatGPT. back when I first started this. And so ideally this should be in a function, because it's not right now. So that's awesome. So that should be in a function. And then I know this isn't a video container, because what it's doing is that it's just finding the it's just finding something called video container, which is this right here, and it's just replacing it. So this is saying video container.inner HTML, make it this, which I don't want to do. I'd rather just have an iframe, and I'm seeing now, because I forgot that most of this can remain in the function, and then I think if we just try to pass this video ID down here, or as a source, that might be cool or better. So just for ha-has, I'm gonna try putting an iframe in here. It was iframe. Okay, yeah, iframe is a thing. We're gonna save that, and then okay, yeah, I didn't think we would visually see anything different, but we put that on the side. I never deal with iframes, so I don't know what to. And technically, how does this iframe work? Okay, they do have it like that. Just for ha-has, what happens if I put a word in here? I don't see it anywhere, but that's not necessarily surprising. What happens if I do that? Okay. Why does that not? Oh, I pressed reload. So this is the iframe. That's probably this iframe. Yeah. Okay. So I'm actually going to keep that commented out. And I'm not going to say test anymore. It's for ha-has. Okay, so that frame still stays. And then I just want to see if I can. Oh, well. I can't grab the video ID immediately. Can I be silly goofy and just if I do var test video ID equals video ID? Does it let me do that? And then in this iframe, then I could say this. This is gonna freak out. Let me grab the whole source bit. Pop it into there. And then technically this needs to. I'm just looking at these sources. Oh, video does pop up though, which is interesting. If I inspect that, what's it using? As a link. Oh, so you do see this says video, but it has $video ID, which is not what we want. So can I I'm trying to think. I think technically I'd have to go like this. Put it around that. So it's not going to break it anymore. So it's not going to fix it either. And if I click on this, does video ID still show up? Yes. which is fine. Now I just gotta use all my brain power to figure out how to replace this part. Because normally you would do just that, but since this is already like... Ooh. I could just do it up here, actually. Because technically these sources are just this, right? Oh, so you know what I could do? To make this global, I'll say var. We're basically just going to put it into here. YouTube link equals. I want the source. But I'm noticing that this is not highlighting. So that's not a good sign. So you see how it's doing it there. But it's not doing it over here. And I couldn't tell you why. And technically I could just make that video ID. Oh, now it's broken. Which is fine. So now down here, instead of saying the source, can I say YouTube link? Will it let me do that? YouTube link is not defined. So apparently it can't see this, which kind of makes sense. Ooh, yeah, this gets kind of messy. And like this part isn't really even like the important bit. So, I mean, I guess that's fine, but. And I'm going to check the socials real quick. 'Cause I did make a post, but it doesn't seem like anyone's coming, and I am kind of just talking to myself. But that's okay. Okay, what do we get for... Yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense. I guess. Okay. Oh. I think it just accidentally inserted an ad. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, I can see now there's an ad playing on my tablet. Okay, well, I wonder if that'll show up in the like in the VOD afterwards, like if it'll insert an ad there, because I did it during the live during that time, so it'll just like repeat it. I don't know, whatever. Okay, back to this broken mess. This thing is very messy. And okay, I'm gonna go back to this real quick because at least before this got the idea of a of the video link, so that's something. You know what? It's time for ChatGPT because I'm tired. I don't want to think that hard. The video ID to work in this iframe in my React page. It's probably gonna call me dumb. String interpolation. What the? Isn't that what I'm doing? Hmm? Oh, it's like making this its own component. You, you know, that would be a good idea. You know, who would have thought? I could do that, but I kind of want to. You know what? Maybe I'll just. Well, the reason I started doing this is because I just want to get rid of this like dish part. Bleh. What happens if I put their channel ID in here? Does it just bring it to their channel? No, because I'm assuming that's not a valid link. Check it action. Okay, well that's just broken. Yeah, no, this is not a thing. Okay. That makes sense. I don't really want to do it like that. We did this a while ago. Now I'm thinking I'm stalling. Oh, I also want to fix the carrot. Also, weird, I noticed that like on my phone, this carrot is usually at the wrong speed. Either the wrong speed or it's like off. It's not synchronized, which is okay. But I want it to be bigger. That's the thing I want to do. So I might do that at some point. But man, this freaking video box, dude. I know this isn't difficult if I just like knew how to do React. But clearly I don't. Clearly I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I'm trying to remember how to... I don't know how to do anything. Oops. Video.css. Is this breaking anything? Not necessarily. Don't need that. Video index. I actually don't even have a thing for video container. Do I not? I have one for centerpiece. That's like this whole thing. I'm probably gonna change this. Video container here. And then this will need to be changed here. And just to make sure this works still, I'm gonna do this. Just gonna bring it back. Okay, so that still works. That's good. And actually, while we have it like this, I would like to change this video container. We're gonna make this a class. And over here I have certain sizes. I wonder if it will actually just let me overwrite it. I just have that there for reference. These are not pixels. What if I just did like 600 by, I don't know, 400. I'm just messing with it. Get rid of this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this part of the iframe just really overrides it. Yeah, so now if I do that, it just makes it real small. So it just has to be part of that iframe. Or you know what? I wonder if I could, because I'm inserting this, I could probably make this a class. Class name. And we'll just do like a test class for now. Test class. And I'm actually going to get rid of that. So now it's all small and puny. And if I just rename this to be test class. No? Is it just being evil to me on purpose? What the hell? I swear I thought I was onto something there. Maybe it's just annoying because of the way that works. Grrr. What happens if I put an iframe in here? And I give this the class name of a test class. Or actually first, copy that. Just so I can bring back this stuff. Okay. Oops. Oh, oops, I forgot to comment that out. Okay, so this iframe does respond to sizes. Great. Okay, yeah, that's definitely responding. And then if I put this source back in, yeah, I know it's gonna be broken, but like, will the box? Okay, so that worked. Okay, so it's literally just this that's being annoying. So that kind of sucks. Oh man, okay. So we literally just have to like do this differently. I might just have to make its own component, which is kind of annoying because I had like made this to be for the video and then it got, I mean, I could just like rename everything, but that's a little annoying. Okay. What did ChatGPT said? Okay, so they just said make a thingy. Or I could just pass it in here, couldn't I? Or how do you pass in the video ID? I don't know how to do React. Or is that just like when you call it? I think so. Yeah. Okay. We could try doing something like that, actually. I don't know if it's going to let us, though. So for this function video, so we could theoretically like put this in here, video. Or no, this would be backwards. Frick, we might have to actually make a component. Darn it. We can make one for the video player. Ah, that's how we're gonna save it. Okay. New folder. That wasn't a folder. Components, new folder. Video player. Video player dot, or video player index dot js, not ks, js. And I'm actually just gonna steal this. And hopefully that kind of works. So now we're gonna rename this. Where's the rename? Rename video player. So then we'll call this in there. This is gonna be kind of like weird, and I don't know how well this is gonna work. I guess we could put the class in here, but we'll see what happens. Let's go back to this. I'm gonna ignore that, maybe. Actually, why does that get so broken? Oh, okay, it lied. Whatever. Gotta get my chair cleared here. Okay. And I immediately lost my train of thought here. Okay. Oh yes. So now I want to call my component. Let me close some stuff. Nope, that's not what I meant. Don't need that. Port video. Oh, okay. I also don't like calling this video index anymore. Maybe I'll change it at some point. Anywho, import video player. Ooh, it did the whole import for me. Thank you. So now, comment this. Hey. Okay, comment this out. That's gonna get rid of this. And then in here, I'm gonna say video player. Okay, so the box comes back, which is good. I'm just gonna do that though. Whoops, other way. Nope, this way. And so now, how am I supposed to do it again? Video ID. Okay, and then I can say video ID. Okay, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Video ID equals. Oh god. Will it let me do that? Oh no. Yeah, so now that's not defined. It's probably because this is. Well, I mean, it's definitely because this is encapsulated. So that's awesome. It's because this is all stupid. What if I make this a function? Fetch. Where does this go to? Okay, so this is all part of the fetch. Right? I think so. So what if I say function get ID? Like this. Does it let me do that? Nice. Okay. So now we need to it's gonna be messy for a second. But now we would say return video ID. Oh, this looks so gross. Can I go like that? Oops. And then in here, can I say get ID, call the function? Am I allowed to do that? I mean, it seems like it's letting me do it, but it's not working. I can't see this. So then what's the source? Oh, it's just undefined. Okay. That's kind of fair. console.log. Video ID. Let's see. Or I'm getting it. So this is the video ID, I guess. So if I go to YouTube, can I go like that? No. No. Oops. Whoops. I immediately lost my train of thought. Oh. Yeah, I just wanted to do this back to like the original way. So if I rewind time a little bit. Still rewind time. Rewinding time. Okay. Like that. What is this video ID? Well, that's what it looks like. Okay. So that looks right. Or at least like the video ID is right. Oh, whoops. I guess we can keep both for now. That's fine. Or does this... Oh, wait, no. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so the video ID is correct, but it doesn't seem to be getting passed along? Question mark? Let's see over here. Video ID. New title property. Don't worry about it. What if I console log it over here? Log video ID. Why is that so upset? Oh, well, okay, because technically, I see why. What about above it? Now it's undefined. Awesome. Okay. Okay. So this returns video ID. What if we do, if we call it like from here instead? And then console log. Like that. Test. Oh, it's undefined. You bastard. Okay. Why does it work within here, but... Because it works in there, right? Yeah. Okay. Should I make this async? Oops. So now we're just gonna say like wait for it. Oh wait, that looks like stuff. Or am I looking at this wrong? Here, I don't see the one for test. For some reason, it just doesn't want to pass it back. I could like reformat this. This one equals, we'll say it's nothing. And then just to make even more of a mess, we're gonna say test1 equals video ID. Get rid of this. And then since it's inside of a function now we're going to say return test1. Well, clearly that's not working still, but yeah, it's just empty. Why is it empty? If I console log over here, I'm assuming it's gonna be empty still. Yeah, it's just empty. Okay. Because we saw clearly over here it works. Great. Egg. ChatGPT time. How come the result is undefined when it returns? Blah, 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 blah. Not quite. No, because apparently I'm just dumb. So we're gonna thank ChatGPT for helping me out, because I'm being real stupid. I'm being real stupid. Yeah, because it's saying like the problems with the dot then, and I really don't know how dot then works, because I've never done it before, so. Yeah. By either using async link or by returning a promise from your getID function. So async function getID, which is what I already do. And then oh. Well, whatever this is, it's better. This is better than whatever I was doing. So they're saying instead, like, well, it's more robust too, which is good. But we should do a, put in a try, get the response, and then break down the response. You know, let's try it. We're gonna copy that, and we're gonna just comment out this big ass mess that we made. Get rid of that for a minute. Boop. Don't want that. And then if I say save. get key, channel ID, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then we have to bring back this. Okay. Oh, hey, look at that. It's working. Well, it's working over there. So now if I put a test over here, well, where is this? This is a thing. It's just an object promise. I don't know. Well, you know, it'd probably help if instead of calling get ID in here, I would just call test. I don't think it was gonna let me do that. Yeah, because this is technically outside of the range. Yeah, test is not defined. You know, maybe I could just say, can I do that? Will it let me? No. Yeah, that'd be nice though. I see we do have another person in the, theoretically there's another person watching. So if you're a real person, say hi. Because I'm just talking to myself right now. Say hi in the chat. I'll say hello back. There, we gotta get rid of that. And there. So now, can I say, so we have this, but, so the problem now is that if I try to do like get ID here, like the video comes back as a promise, which isn't great. And let me, player side, so I know what we're looking at. Okay, yeah, so on the player side, it's well, it says it gets fulfilled. Interesting. Interesting. We're gonna get rid of this, because we don't need this anymore. Don't need that. And now I have like test and test one all over the place. It's such a mess. Yeah, make it a little bit easier to read. Now it's gonna be get ID. This is gonna be outside. And I mean, yeah, it'd probably be smart to do this like with the debugger, but I don't want to. So, wait, now this is breaking. Network response was not okay. The heck you mean network response was not okay? Forbidden? Why is it forbidden? What the frick? Was this not like working 2 seconds ago? We were getting some things before. I think all I did was change the names of stuff. Okay, well, that's just mad about that. That's okay. Okay, so now this makes sense because now I'm technically not calling it anymore. I don't know why it's forbidden. The request cannot complete it. I've exceeded my quota. Oh my god. What do you mean? No. What am I supposed to do now? I'm Destiny. What the hell is my quota? Well, I know what a quota is. What is the quota? I didn't know there was. That's so. That's so freaking annoying. I can't test it. Oh my god. Well, that's horrible, and I hate it. So. Oh no. Oh goodness. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, I guess maybe I'll take a look at that again later, but for now. Oh god, okay. I'm gonna put this back the way it was for now, and maybe add in the other stuff I wanted to do instead, just because I just can't deal with this right now, so I'm gonna copy this, which is a stupid way of doing it. But new file. Video index test. And we're gonna go like that. And we're gonna save this for now. And in case I forget later, we're gonna remove comment here. Okay. And so then in this, we're just gonna do a mega undo. I just want to go back. Just go back to when it was working. And I'm sure now it's still gonna be like upset because we've supposedly gone over our freaking quota, which is stupid. And yeah, so it's just broken right now. Technically, if I go like this, if I use my normal API key per se, unless not, console. Hello? Ah, it's still broken. Okay, whatever. Bring it back to that. I wonder if I'm gonna have like an email now saying I like broke the rules or something. I really hope that's not the case. For say, and hey, we theoretically have 3 viewers, so if like you're here, say hi in the chat. I'll say hi back. I'd appreciate it. Got lonely. I'm just talking to myself. Anyways, oh, and someone left. I don't know if that was coincidence or what, or if that was on purpose. Now my feelings are a little hurt. I'm not gonna lie. Someone left. Another person left. Well, I see why people give up on trying to be streamers, because it don't feel good sometimes. But that's okay. That's just how it is sometimes, I guess. Whatever. I'm going to restart this, actually. Because I'm kind of wondering if some of these errors we're getting is just from the, this. Nope, okay. Our key is actually just cooked. That's awesome. Okay, whatever. I'm not sad. You're sad. If I do that, yeah, it's going to be upset, but that's okay. Yeah, it's actually going to be pretty annoying. I just didn't want to, like, keep calling this over and over in case it's like upset. Okay, so I'm just going to comment that out for now. Okay, well, our video is missing now because we've apparently broken the API key. So for now, we're going to see if I can actually add words in here. So the question's going to be, where should I do that? And should I include that as like part of home? I'm wondering. Because it's kind of like a home screen thing. Logo container. You know, I think I will. We're gonna say div. We're gonna give this a new class. Message maybe? Sure. Why not? For now it's good. Message. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna put it in there. So we need a home.css. And we're gonna do dot message. Yeah, I should have made that capital. My bad. Excuse me. We're gonna go back. Make that capital. We're gonna have to get a font, which is okay. But the idea, they have this joke where they recently, or this season, they kind of like split up into like seasons, or they're doing like, have you ever seen the old like Captain Crunch cereal where it's like, oops, all berries, where they had just all the berries in the cereal instead of the crunchy stuff? They do that, but for like other things, like oops, all sexism or something like that. I don't know. It's always funny though, so I want to have something like that, like oops, all new content. It's actually not bad. So we could try that. Oops, all new content. Like that. Because, yeah, you can see here, their most recent one is oops, all alpha male fanfic. It's a good episode. You should go see it. But, they've been doing this a lot. It wasn't always like that, as you can see. But, I think the joke is funny. So, yeah, we're going to do something like that. And I actually kind of like that font. I don't know what font that is, though. What's like a good way to like find fonts? Font finder? That's a thing, okay. Maybe. With the font. This is maybe not exactly what I wanted. Type or paste your image URL. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's going to be able to get it, though. This thing needs to go away. Or upload an image. I could... do I have a thumbnail downloader? I don't remember. Don't think so. Because if I just download the thumbnail from here, it's going to be really small, isn't it? It's also WebP. Thumbnail downloader. Oh. Thumbnail downloader. Copy link address. Stop. Paste. Yeah. Give me this. Yeah. So now I'm going to do save image. Sure. And I'm going to open this. Edit. Actually, I could just crop. I was just going to cover it with like black, but this works too. Save. Just save over it. So now we're going to go here. I don't know if it's going to update if I do it like that. So we're going to go here and drop it. And then theoretically, it's going to, yeah, this one. Find the font. Cooper Black. Nice. Do you have to pay for it? Do they not just like come? If I open up like Pixlr, do they have it? Great news. Just actually, well, here's the thumbnail I made for today's stream. Let me go here. Do they have it? No. Okay. Cooper Black font. Cooper Black. Do I actually have to pay for it? Because I'd like to really not have to pay for it. And what does add font mean? Like, add it to what? That's not really what I meant. Cooper. Okay, well, apparently it's here, so. And I know I need to download it, but I don't remember how to do this. So we're gonna look up CSS font, cause I don't remember how to do any of this. Yeah, I don't care about sans serif. I just want to like font Google. What? Google fonts? Oh, can you like link to it? That's cool. Well, I need to actually include my own font. How do I do that? Use custom fonts. I know you just gotta download it. Okay. So let's download this. Hopefully I don't get a virus. Apparently I need this, whatever this OTF file is. Extract. We're gonna copy this. And where's a good place to put it? Where do they put it in theirs? Okay, that's cheating. Source style. It's not really media. We'll put it in there. Why not? And now, why do we have to use this at font face? I don't like that. Oh, refers to the CSS property allows custom fonts. Okay, fair enough. Oh, so what do I have to do? Like here, font face. Oh, look at that, preloads it for us. Okay, so it's font families. Hey, Cooper Black. Is that? Do I have to put it in quotes? It's the. Oh, yeah. Okay. Duh. Cooper Black, and now I just need to give it the location. Where is this in reference? It's up pretty high. Can I copy relative path? Yes, question mark. I don't know if, oh, can't resolve. That's fair. What about just copy path? Well, not quite. That's not quite either. Or, I mean, this is pretty definitive. Judge's website, source, Cooper. Or this is... Oh, did I not put this in media? I thought I put it in media. It's kind of what I meant to do. I'll put it in styles, even though that's not quite technically right either. And I don't know why I can't find it. I'm assuming I just need to like go up, which is kind of annoying. Or, you know, I'm wondering if it's because it's like this. And it's gonna be mean. It's so mean to me. Nope, that didn't help. Cancel. How do I norm? Okay, yeah, you gotta go that way. 2 dot dot up. Nope. Oh, did it find it now? I think it found it. Okay. So now I should be able to use it here. Font family. Cooper Black? Or no, I just say Cooper Black. That doesn't seem to be working. Or they do it like this, though. So, like, screw you guys. Hey, that worked. I should probably also make this be capital. Oops, all new content. You know, this honestly might have just been easier to make like a picture. Well, I guess not, since I didn't have the font, so whatever. Whatever. We also are gonna need to add some padding. Is it padding or margin? Oh, I never remember. I never freaking remember. I think it's margin. I think margin is the thing that, yeah, okay. Then what the hell does padding do? I don't know. I should probably have a backup font. How do you do the backup font again? Just do, okay. Sure, sans serif as a backup. Why not? And then what the hell was I about to do? I don't padding, yes. Or margin bottom. What does 5% look like? That's not bad, but then I want this to be less. And that's something. So that's kind of what it would look like mobile. Yeah. Minus the video missing. Video not important. So now this needs to be bigger. Also, I'd kind of like it to be white. Because you see how they do it? They do it white with like a black outline. I don't know if we can do that. I don't know. Is there a size? Oh, what do you normally do to describe a size? Font size. Yeah, that makes sense. We should probably do a relative. I have no idea what. Is this on the sample text? Wait, div h1. Sean. Let's go, YouTube partner. You're in the big leagues now. Thank you, man. You didn't have to send in a what's it called? A super chat? Yeah, I just know what Linus calls him because he hates him. Thanks, buddy. You could have just sent in a normal message. What a Chad. You the best, Sean. We love Sean. We stand Sean. Christian's here now, too. Holy shit, Christian's here. We got the whole gang here. Wow, this is crazy. This is absolutely bombastic. Is bombastic a thing? I don't know. Ben's here. Why did all three of you guys join all at the same time? Ben P. Viewer currently watched ads. Wow, thanks guys. They're all here. Thanks. I've been talking to myself for a while, so I like that. Yeah, 6 viewers is pretty crazy. I mean, I'm one of them because I have it open on my tablet next to me so I can watch it. That's 5. That's funny because it's been like 1 for like how long have I been? An hour and 8 minutes. And then all of a sudden, did you guys like collaborate? Because that'd be kind of scary. You just got back from the gym. Mood. Tomorrow, gym. I do Monday, Wednesday, Friday usually. Or sometimes Thursday instead of Wednesday. Depends on if I go into the office or not. Into the office. Oh, and guys, I have this really fun button that I can just like spam you guys with an ad. Isn't that funny? I'm not going to do that now, but it is funny. And I accidentally did it to myself earlier because I didn't know what the button did because I've never had that button before. But anyways, now that I have people to talk to. Mostly I was just yelling at this because I like broke my API key. So there was a video in the middle here. So imagine that video is still here. And now we're trying to deal with this. Because we got to make it bigger. And I might actually just replace it with like an image instead. So that I can like format it fancier. I like how font size you can just like say an abstract size. It's like how big is large? It just says large. Yeah, that's real big. So one of the examples was 1.25 EM. I don't know what EM stands for. That's a little bigger, but you've never heard of the Judges? What they do? They're just a podcast. Well, I say just a podcast, but it's here. This podcast that I really like because I think they're pretty silly, goofy, and I like their energy, so I watch them all the time. Highly recommend them. I'm on my other account, so it doesn't look like I've watched any of these, but I promise I've watched like all of these. And the story for this is that Ben Plazik should actually know about this. It all started in the parking lots of a Waffle House in Nashville, Tennessee. Because these guys live in Illinois, and I was like, how far is Illinois from here? And then I was thinking about their podcast, and then I was like, I wonder if they have a website. And then I found out they don't have a website. So then I was like, I wonder if the domain's available. And then the domain was available, and I was like, well, I might as well buy it so some like scrub doesn't get it and like holds it hostage basically, because sometimes people do that. And I was like, I'll buy it. And then I was like, I'll make something cool, I guess. So now here I am making something cool. And they open mail on the podcast, so I'm gonna send them a letter and be like, hey, I made a website, go here, and we'll see what happens. Now Jackie's here too. Hi, Jackie. You think you've seen their show before? You might have. They're pretty popular on TikTok. That's how I originally found them, like a while ago. And now I'm a Judgy stan. So now I just be up here. Now we just be up here. Oh, this is too small. I'm trying to figure out how to deal with this text. Why is this so small now? 100%? Is this div just tiny or something? Is this div just tiny little baby? I don't know what EM stands for, by the way. Well, that's big. That size is not bad. But now how does it scale? It doesn't. Okay, so I gotta fix that. Cause that looks bad. How to scale it? I don't know how to scale it. Font size using rem. Wait, EM is based on the font size of the parent element. Rem is based on the font size set in the root element. Ooh, okay. Are you hosting the site yourself, or is it not live yet? It's live. You can go there. thejudgespod.com. Ah, the key's broken on here too. I think I made Google API upset because this was working before I was messing with it. But Yeah, this website is live, and normally the video player would be here, but I broke it. So there you go. In the chat, if you're into that, that's fun. But so yeah, I guess I broke the API key. I don't want to pull it up on stream for obvious reasons, although not like it's a paid key, so it doesn't really matter. But I guess I'll just have to fix it again. Anyways, I gotta see about this font because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, as you guys might have noticed. This was me trying to steal their font, which I found out was Cooper Black. And I have ChatGPT up because I was using them for help. So that's cool. So what do they say about using a percent? Font size at the first stage wasn't, so use the default size. Ooh, I don't like this. CSS responsive font size. Do you use ChatGPT for work and stuff? For my job, actually sometimes, not recently, just because of like what I'm doing. But I have used it at work, and I use it all the time for my personal projects, especially for Stray Space. Not to like give me code, because it's really good at like explaining stuff. Like you'll see some stuff in here that I was doing earlier because I was working on Stray Space. I was just like, can you explain this? Or how do I do this? Or what do I do? All right, because I was trying to like update like our database. I was like, how do I do this? So I love using it for code, just for like help, not like make me a whole website, but just like help me please. So that's how I do it. Oh yeah, we could do viewport with. I forgot about that. VW. Let's try doing that. VW. Really good at giving framework ideas. Yeah, definitely. I try to make it give me a website that could find you the nearest place that sold soup. And I didn't really want to do it. It was upset, and it was like since I'm a large language model, like I'm not supposed to. And then I was like, okay, role play that you like are a dev. What would a website that finds soup look like? And then it gave me like something, but it was still kind of garbage. So I was like, whatever, because I used to own the URL soupnearme.net, because I was like, I'll do something with that, and then I didn't, of course. And then I was like, I'm paying $12 a year for this. I was like, I'm good. Maybe I'll get it. Plus, it was a .net. Who wants a .net anyways? Oh, my tablet just got an ad. Are you guys getting an ad right now? I swear I didn't do an ad on purpose. What was I doing? I was doing the font size. I wanted the viewport width. So I think viewport width might, I think the viewport width is going to be the moves. What about that? Okay. If we emulate mobile, it would look like that. This used to, the lack of the video is like really screwing it up. What are you guys saying? Yeah. Oh, you got an ad. Oh, you have ad blocker. I mean, I have ad blocker too. That's fair. For Dokkan battle, I don't know what that Christian was. Dokkan battle. Do you know what that is, or was that just like some gotcha game I poked up? I think mine over here was for Shopify. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie. For my ad blocker, I just exclude my own channel because I'm like teehee. But then I feel bad about it, so I might stop that. I gotta get this video back in. It's a Dragon Ball Z gotcha game. Yeah, that figures. Just the name of it, it was like, that's gotta be a gotcha. Nah, I feel like lame that you guys can't see the video, because the video is like the most interesting part. It just pulls in the most recent video. But now it's broken. We'll put in a temporary iframe. So imagine it like this. because it would look kind of like this, but with the video in it. Lazy tech on float planes soon? I don't think so. I don't. That would also like require me to like make more content, and I already barely make content. Will the website be able to show their live streams? They don't. I think they've only ever done like one live stream. Their podcasts are always just like they record it and post it. So no. I also don't know how I would do that. So yeah. No live for them. You know, I'm gonna keep this placeholder iframe here now just for to get the spacing. And I'm really not liking this thing anymore. Now it looks out of place, even that this is the font that they use. You can see it here. That's the font. It looks good there, but it's probably because this is stylized a certain way already. I feel like if I made it taller, but I don't think I can like stretch it out. Blah. Blah, blah, blah. You know what? I might try doing the, making it a picture instead. So we're gonna do a sneaky little gamer move here. I just want something wide. We'll see how this looks. I'm basically just gonna create like a picture. I believe I can put custom fonts in here. Because I think I've done it before. Yeah, add local font. Downloads. Use this. Cooper. Yeah, okay. So now in here we can say, oops, that's nice, Bobs. Oops. No. New content. Yay. Okay. And now we make it white. I'm going to make this full screen. And I think I'm going to make this to basically fill this. Too big. And then we will crop. So then on the styles, we just want to do an outline, make it black, make it a little bigger. We could do a shadow. And we're going to skip the shadow. So basically this. And we're going to, I'd like to put this, I think this would look better if we do it like manually. So now we got to crop. Ratio, no. 16 by 9. I'll keep it 16 by 9. I'll reset it. And then, okay, so we basically need to change the height. Ooh, okay, so this should work out pretty nice, actually. 200. Okay. And I'm just very thankful that it's doing it like from the middle. That's very useful. And we're going to do 1800. 15. This is not getting any smaller, is it? So we're going to keep that 1920. Jackie, I'm a fan of fonts. So many cool ones. There are lots of cool fonts. They have pages where you can just browse fonts. It's a cool place. So now we got a PNG. Pinjinjin. Okay. And we're going to save it. 1920 by 200 pixels. Yeah. This might not be great. Judges. Oops. All new content. Or I actually need to save that in a different place. Yeah. So I only have like 3 saves a day because I'm on a free tier. So we're gonna close that actually. We need that. Don't need this. Downloads. Oh no, I put it in here. Okay, so now we're gonna put it under media. And now we can open this back up. We're gonna undo that for now. We're gonna go like that. And go like that. And what am I doing now? Home. Okay, so now basically instead of this, we're gonna put an image in here. We're gonna say class name, message image. So we gotta get a source. I'll have to include it up top. Alt. And then for the alt, I'll actually just say this. Oops. All new content. Yep, and that's gonna be mad about that, but that's okay. We're gonna import. What did I call it? I guess I got to choose message image from. Boop 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 beep boop beep boop boop. What's it called? Oops. It might be kind of upset about me. Bear with me. How does this look? Oh, it's gonna hate me for this. Because of the spaces in it. But that's okay. Oh wait, it worked. And it's really big. But I was kind of expecting that. So we're gonna go here. And we're gonna say this, and we're gonna make a new CSS class for it. And so now we're just gonna say max width 100 of the viewport. Ooh, okay, now we're cooking a little bit. Okay. How about mobile? Hey, that's not bad. I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it, but it's better. It's a little better. Now, if only like my video actually worked, that would be cool. But I think for now, that's not horrible. It's not horrible. We'll deal with it for now. I'm actually going to pull up on my phone because I should be able to actually go to the URL or the IP address on here. Oh, I don't remember what the IP address was though. Oh, my phone is being very slow. That's awesome. I love it when that happens. Ooh, what's the IP address? Ooh, it doesn't want to tell me. I'm not gonna dox myself. That was close. Or technically I could do this. And do npm start again. Looks good. Thank you, Mr. Christian. It means a lot. It means so much. I just like not talking to myself completely anymore. It's kind of nice. Okay, it's 56. 3,000. Oh, whoops. Oh, this one's backwards actually. 168.56.1. 3,000. If it loads. If it freaking loads, bro. It doesn't seem to want to load. But I promise normally you can pull it up on your phone, because that's what I've done before. Oh no, now I'm a liar. If I do a HTTP in front of it. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Normally I'm able to do it, but for some reason today it insists on not doing it. But it would look like that. In case you were wondering. Okay, so yeah, that thingy is still broken. Which is sad, but what are you gonna do? Do you guys feel like the logo should be bigger? I'm kind of feeling like the logo should be bigger. Like this part here. I also need to make this carrot bigger. It's too small. This carrot is too small. But maybe bigger logo, at least when it's like in mobile mode. I think it shrinks like too fast. If that makes sense. So like here I feel like it's kind of big enough. And because it's round, I don't want it to be too huge, but I think it looks too small in mobile. Like that. That looked too small maybe. Somebody let me know. But in the meantime, I want to make this carrot bigger because that annoys me because it's like too small compared to these guys. And I think all I'm going to do for that is just take the GIF I have for it and crop it. I mean, I have carrot bigger.gif and then carrot. Oh, okay. I don't remember doing that, but I don't doubt it. Carrot bigger. So I do have a bigger carrot, apparently. We can try using the bigger carrot, which should be under video. So it's called, I'm looking on the side here, carrot bigger. I'm really good at naming things. Okay, bigger. Compiling. Beep boop, beep boop, boop. Doesn't really look any bigger. And that actually makes sense because it's probably constrained by the div I put it in. Okay, so I think we need to do then. It's like crop this. Can you crop a GIF? That feels not promising. Oh, it doesn't even let me crop it. Is there like a GIF cropper? Cropper? Of course there is. Carrot. Upload. I love using scary sites like these. Oh, I already cropped it for me. That's awesome. Crop it. Cool. Save. Cropped carrot. I have so many carrot named things. Okay. Easy. Can I get a wait, I need to get a speed run timer with all the splits. How fast can I crop a carrot? I gotta go faster. What's my split? What's my split time? Cropped carrot any %. Okay, now we got cropped carrot.gif. Get freaking cropped on, bro. Okay. So now we have cropped carrot. So stupid. Cropped carrot. Is it cropped carrot gif? Oh, cropped. Oh, I didn't call it gif at the end. Yay, it's bigger, but it also changed. Okay, there it goes. I guess that's fine. It looks better like that. For context, the carrot is because they have Erica, this one, it has like this carrot that she throws at Josh, this guy, when he says something really stupid. And so it's kind of like a running gag on there. So the carrots. But hey, I think this doesn't look half bad. If my freaking video would load. But that would be so nice if I had a video. But I guess not. No video for me. And I actually do like this. Now that it has the outline on it too, and that it's actually an image, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. And you can see it scales with it. Yeah, hard flex. I actually have these the GIFs, the head things move. Oh yeah. I know. That's hot. Pretty hot stuff, I know. And, this is looking good. I was thinking of like a background or a border around this section, but I don't know. It's not bad. It's not bad. Thinking. Brain think. Stretch. Maybe I should look up at my API keys. I'm putting it over here though. Or just kidding. Yeah, I'm putting it over here. What happened to my API? Making sure you can't see it. I mean, even if you could see my keys, they're just free keys anyways. YouTube. Manage. Oh, I can see my traffic. That's cool. Okay. Does it say anything about like running out of usage? No. Okay, so yeah, I'm not, or paid usage agreements. You have consent to, okay, that's nothing. I know you guys can't see this, but. Okay. Yeah, it's not like telling me that, that like it's disabled or something. Or there's a quotas. What? It says I've hit 10,000 queries today. No shot, dude. On the 21st. It says I hit 10,000. What? Well, gamers, we did it. We've queried this video 10,000 times. It's all thanks to your support that we are able to query this one API 10,000 times. How? I don't know. Because I did refresh this a lot, but I didn't refresh it 10,000 times. So maybe someone did steal my API key. That's possible. That is certainly possible. Does it say what time it happened? And which one? I should probably set up credentials. That'd be a good idea. It doesn't really tell me what time. It's just like 3 a.m. to 3 a.m. Yeah, okay, well, I guess that's why it's disabled, okay. So okay, well, okay. So just imagine then that the video is here. It'll maybe be back by tomorrow after 3 in the morning. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, hopefully. Yikes. Okay. Well, the other thing I wanted to do was mess with the video. That's what I was doing before. I was trying to like resize it because I didn't like how small it was. I thought it was, I thought it was too small, like in full screen, like in this mode, and too big in mobile mode. But now I can't really test that because this frame doesn't work the same way. So I don't. Yikes. Okay. I might poke around with this logo just a little bit. Make it like a little bit bigger. Oh, did that make it scroll horizontally? Or I guess the horizontal scroll was already there. Want a teeny bit bigger. Mobile. It's okay. I think if I make it bigger, it's gonna start to like push stuff off, and it'd be kind of nice if you don't have to scroll on mobile. Just so you can see the whole thing all at once. Would be cool. But oh yeah, here's the thing. I already have it, so this will make it. This like sets up different behavior for when it's a certain width. So if it's small, so 768 I think is like, yeah, typical tablet and mobile sizes. So we could like further describe the behavior here. So technically I'm saying it takes up 100% of the view width. What happens if I just say normal width? Doesn't change anything. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to mess with it because I'm probably going to break it. So, but oh, and this will probably stretch down more too when the video is actually loaded because I think it's a little taller. But yeah, okay. Well, since my API key has apparently been used 10,000 times today, and that was the other thing I wanted to work on, I think I'm going to call it here. But I appreciate you guys showing up. And I see we got more likes too, which I appreciate. Because the likes are liking the video slash live stream is the biggest help. Well, technically being here is the biggest help. But the next biggest help is liking it. So thanks for the likes. I appreciate it. And thanks to Sean, if he's still here, for the super chat. I appreciate that. That was pretty poggers. First dono super chat ever. Cool. So, but yeah, otherwise, I'm going to call it here. Thanks you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys kind of coming in all at once. That was fun. So, yeah, next time. Yeah, and Christian, let me know when you're streaming again. I'll be there, man. But all right. See you guys. Appreciate it.